Hello and welcome to Unruffled Baking. I hope you enjoy today's allergy-friendly recipe. Today we are making shortbread. You will need 170 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of caster sugar, 115 grams of dairy-free margarine, a cookie cutter, a knife and spoon, a baking tray that is either non-stick or has been greased with dairy-free margarine, a bowl, a rolling pin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Add the dairy-free margarine to the mixing bowl and cut it up into chunks. Then add the sugar. Then cream the dairy-free margarine and caster sugar together. You can use an electric mixer for this recipe. The shortbread will turn out slightly softer. Add the flour and mix in thoroughly. Bring the dough into a ball. Lightly flour the work area. Roll the dough out to 1.5 centimeters thick. Use the cutter to cut out the shortbread. For a Christmas treat, try icing the shortbread. It'll taste delicious. Bring the leftover dough back into a ball and roll it out again, so that you can cut out more shortbread. Keep doing this until you run out of dough. If you have some scraps left over, then you can make a sugar parcel. Pat the dough out into a little circle. Fill the center of the circle with sugar and bring the edges together. You can use a little water to help the edges stick, or you can just squidge them together. Cook the parcel with the rest of the shortbread. Place the shortbread on the baking tray. Put the tray in the oven. And cook for between 15 and 20 minutes. Now you have made dairy-free shortbread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.